Today we're going to review the Hovan Home pasta attachment that goes on to your KitchenAid mixer, and we are going to make some pasta. I have some help here today. Rob is going to be mixing up the pasta and mixing up the dough, and we're going to put it through the attachment and show you how this works.
We're going to remove this, and it's a very simple process of just adding this in here. Now that's secured in place, and instead of it running down here, it will still turn, but it also has a mechanism. That's good.
We would highly recommend the Hovan pasta attachment for the KitchenAid on Amazon.